Today I will be reviewing Big Bad Wolf, the former Aero suspended coaster located at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. And this is a really good ride. Well, it was. This ride closed in 2009 due to a high maintenance cost, and it was replaced by Verbolten, which pays tribute to it by its second drop. But this ride was really cool, and there's a lot of history behind it. I suggest that you go check out Canada Coasters Fan video of history of the Big Bad Wolf. But as you go up the first lift hill, you're gonna go into this little drop. As you can see, there's little buildings here and there. It's supposed to look like a Bavarian village, and yeah, you're gonna get some good swinging. And there's a lot of theming on this ride. It goes through the woods, which is always cool. You just saw a glimpse of Dragonfire because this POV was filmed when Dragonfire was open. And that's pretty cool. So you're going to go through some turns, and then you're going to hit the brake. And I'm going to let you listen to this Toomer interview.
After you go through the German town, you get on a second lift. It's not quite as high as the first one. And then you just dive straight down onto what they call the Rhine River.
So now we are going up the second lift hill. And at the top, you can get to see the Rhine River and a lot of the park. I believe this is around 100 feet. Then you're going to go into this about 80-foot drop, which is pretty impressive at the time. It is trimmed, but as you can see, it swings quite a lot and swings very aggressively, which this ride was very, well, this ride was pretty intense for a family coaster. And at the time, it wasn't meant to be a family coaster, it was meant to be a very thrilling coaster. So it was a really cool ride. I personally like it because it was my first roller coaster. It had a low height requirement of 42 inches, and it was just a really good ride. I think it had a very cool design. Everyone who rode this ride loved it, and it was just a very successful ride for the park. Sadly, it did close in 2009 with one of the other great suspended coasters, and what I will be giving this ride is a solid 9.5 out of 10. I don't think this is a 10 out of 10 ride, but this ride was really good, and it was very smooth, it was well executed, and interacted with the terrain. It was fast, it was in the woods, and it was better than Beast. So, that's going to be my review for the Big Bad Wolf. As you can see in that clip right there, that is one of the most aggressive swinging moments on any Aero suspended coaster ever. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see me review any more defunct roller coasters, I have ridden quite a few defunct roller coasters, including Hurler, Shockwave, and famously, most famous one probably, would be Led Zeppelin the Ride. So, again, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and go check out our website and merchandise store, where we'll be releasing a guide to the coasters of Virginia. So, thank you for watching.